Ma. How to remember ma. Look at all those angles, those lengths, those measurements, all that math. That's very good. Ma, 2 strokes. 1 and 2. Then we have mi. Mi. 3 missiles flying towards you. Be careful. 1, 2, 3. Mu. Mu is shaped like a cow's friendly face. Look at that snout. Moo. 2 strokes. 1, 2. Me. This looks like an X over someone's me, eye in Japanese. Me. I guess they're dead now. 2 strokes. 1, 2. Mo. This looks very similar to the hiragana mo. So you should be able to make that connection and remember both of these. Mo. 1, 2, 3 strokes. Alright, so we have mausu. Mausu is a mouse. Then we have mimizu, which means earthworm. Movie. So make sure to stretch the vowels. Movie is a movie. Memo. Memo is a memo. Moisto. Moisuto. Moisto is moist. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた。